Today we're gonna be smoking some Dino ribs. Let's get smoking. You want to set these ribs up is you want to cook them at about, or smoke them at about 275. Now when you're going to load these ribs up, the bones facing down, we're going to leave them in here for about 3 hours. Alright guys, so my Dino ribs have been in the smoker roughly about 4 hours. During the last hour I did spritz it a couple of times with that water and apple cider vinegar mixture. You want to set your ribs here. Now this is important. You do want to try to keep the ribs with the bone facing down. You still want that bone facing down. Next thing is you want to wrap these. The number you're looking for is 200. Once your ribs hit 200, then you can pull them out. Close this down. We're still cooking at 275. There it is. I set my preset at 200, and right now the ribs are hitting already 205. The last thing you're gonna do on this step before you can cut up and eat them is actually let them rest. Give them about 30 minutes to an hour. So you wanna get yourself a nice cooler. Give you a little 360 here. I'm digging the color, cut in, see what that looks like. Kind of squish it down. Oh yeah. Now the only thing left here is to actually, man, this thing looks good. The only thing left here is to actually, and it smells really good, is to actually taste it to see what it tastes like, because that's really the main thing. I gotta get a second opinion here. Look at that, coming off. This has been the Smoking Beard, showing you how to smoke Dino ribs. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below. These guys are worth it, anywhere between 5 to 7 hours, but you're gonna love the end result. Once again, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go to town on this bad boy. See you guys on the flip side.